It's your first game?
Yeah, first
Thank
time.
you for sitting out. And this for the archery then. The archery you have to booking, it's free of charge, just follow the timing. And the archery today are starting from 3 to until 4 and tomorrow 11:30. This for the infinity pool, right?
Where is the infinity pool?
This is the infinity pool. You can get it for the breakfast.
Here?
No, the breakfast is at the beach dining. There is a common washroom for you. You have any other washroom? This is the one.
Common washroom.
For the towel counter, you can get towel from here.
Okay.
Then you can give you a towel card. They give you the towel. This one. Lagi na lagi nito like. This for our setting zoo.
Alright, nice.
And here also common washroom is for the water sports area.
What is this place?
It's for the beach dining area. Like more like here from 2 until 9.
Here's the breakfast.
And tonight we have a dinner also. If you like to have, we have a like buffet, open buffet.
Here.
And the barbecue also. So if you want, just you can see the food. If you like, then you can upgrade the food. Fitness activity center. There is a yoga, Zumba dance there. And tonight we have a movie. It's for the movie theater. It's something from time. And it's the bonfire area. There are also common washroom. It's for the kids activity.
Welcome to Long Beach. So, typically ito po ay glamping. Hindi na siya camping kasi hindi naman natin tinayo yung tent. And ito pa rin yung susi. So, tayo ang susi. May electric fan. Ang problema lang dito, ang nakita kong problema. Di tayo nagdala ng tsinelas.
Traffic lower. Like alright, let's go.
Oh my,
It's more fun.
it's not easy. I thought it's... Sige, press na. Yan, bababa. Yan, tapos kada lumikit sa... Ay, sa lang po na ito. Huwag mo siyang i-squeeze. Ayan, ayan. Dandahan mo yan.
Pwede ko na to.
party. Ito kami sa Long Beach. Long Island Beach. Basta Beach.
Long Beach.
Long Beach dito sa Ras Al Khaimah. Daming pangalan, ano? Dami ko nabasa kanina, Long Beach, Long Island. Ayan.
Oh. Anong meron?
So, ang daming activities dito. So, pag nag-check-in ka sa kasama ng mga activities like, syempre, swimming sa beach, libre. And then, billiard, may pottery, may archery, okay, iba ba? May jet ski din, pero yung jet ski may bayad.
Ano
And
to?
then, dito naman sa side na to, ito yung para mamaya sa dinner.
Barbecue?
Barbecue, and then meron din mga marshmallow later, mga, hindi ko alam kung libre na sa marshmallow. Pero ito yung mga roasting barbecue.
Libre
Start na
yan.
to ng 7.
Libre yung
Yung ano, marshmallow libre.
kasali
Pero
yun sa ano. Diyan tayo magbe-breakfast.
Breakfast to libre din. From 7
Not
to 11.
libre. Kasali siya sa package.
Oo, kasi sa package.
Tapos doon,
Doon naman yung nakikita nyo doon, yan yung movie night. Sinihan mamaya from 9 to 11. And then lights off na doon ng 11:30. So wala nang ang problema natin yung pag nasisiyan.
dali lang.
Mag,
Ha?
bago tamapan po.
Konde, Wakanda. Oh God.
Wellness timing. Yakult. Sauna.
Tawag na dito ay Sunset Terrace.
Tara.
Pwede rin dito. Right, time for check out na guys. Medyo mainit na sa loob ng tent kasi alas 12 na. So, check out time is 1 o'clock, sorry. Pero pwede na mag-early check out. Pwede din daw mag-stay ng late. Check out ka lang pero mag-stay ka pa rin dito, sabi nila.